Imagine yourself in the Chevrolet 2018 Equinox LS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 6-speaker audio system feature, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, premium audio system, Chevrolet MyLink, radio data system, radio, Chevrolet MyLink AM/FM stereo, Sirius XM satellite radio delete, USB port and auxiliary input jack and air conditioning. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.